This is Superintendent Adam Gibbery, Fire and Rescue New South Wales. This is a third alarm structure fire. For us, that's about 7 fire trucks, including an aerial ladder platform or a ladder truck. The call came in at about 10 to 10 on the 10th of August 2022. It was initiated by an automatic fire alarm, supported by numerous 000 calls to our fire comms centre. The initial crews reported large volumes of black smoke en route, and on arrival, flames venting high into the air. About 100 people were evacuated from this site, and we had no injuries reported. This premises is a commercial bakery. This fire initially was fuelled by natural gas, which is one of the reasons why we had significant fire activity so early on. The occupants of this building did all the right things once they noticed the fire. They tried to do first attack firefighting, but realised early on that they were having very little effect, so commenced evacuations. This is why industry and people in and around plant machinery, warehouses, factories and the like need to practice their evacuation or their emergency evacuation procedures.